Hey guys!
Hello!
Tymkrs Day, Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday.
So, we've been messing with Addie's idea a little bit.
Yep. So, I think I might have mentioned last week that I wanted to do a Tamagotchi style pet thing on the prop. And so I've done a little more work on that. Well, past couple weeks anyway.
Yeah. And this week's first spin is actually us analyzing the code here.
The spaghetti code.
So we have like a link to the source code on this.
Yes.
And Addie's already been made aware of a lot of the
issues.
The problems with her
Stack
terrible
overflows.
Yeah, her terrible code.
Yeah.
So, but you know, it's a learning process. She's new to the whole programming thing, so.
It's wonderful code, I think. So, again, we're on the Prop Board of Education, Propeller Board of Education, Prop BOE, and we're using its VGA capabilities. Here's the USB programming cable that also provides power to it, and a 5-position switch that's connected. I'm not using the XB for the moment, so that's just there for funds. And last week we showed the bouncing ball program, which I think I have on the EEPROM right now. Bam. Bouncing ball program. So I'm going to go ahead and do show the
one of the reasons why I did the
Propopet.
bouncing ball thing was to show her how to do separation of her rendering code from her simulation code.
Right.
Which I'm sure she's going to get to on this, but right now...
for now, it's a static.
It's very linear, and the functions call other functions, and yeah.
Right. So, so my Propopet can do a couple things. It has hunger, which is currently 4. It's got poo, which is currently 9, and it's got sleep, which is currently... Poo, yes.
You have a poo counter?
I do. And it's currently...
This code really is crappy.
Hey. They need to relieve themselves, too. Do you know
Okay,
to poo?
so what in the world is that in the middle of the screen?
Okay, that's a little guy. That's a little guy with a hat.
Okay, so that's your guy. That's your...
My character.
Your little pet thingy.
Yeah.
And the numbers on the side are its current statistics.
Exactly.
And
the last one is
the
sleep.
first one is hunger.
Yes.
The second one is
poo.
Poo.
Yep.
Okay. And the third one?
Is sleep. So how sleepy it is.
Okay, what's the 0?
The 0 is EXP.
So experience level.
Yep.
Okay.
And the EXP only increases every time you do something. So, like, the poo counter, it's at 50. When it's greater than 50, it makes a poo face.
Oh, so the face just changed just now?
Yeah. And when the hunger counter goes to 75, then it makes a hungry face. When the sleep goes to, I think, 100, then it makes a sleepy face. So right now it's got like a smelly poo face. Well, no, that's the normal. But that's a smelly poo face.
Okay,
So I'm gonna use my little pointer
using
thing.
ASCII art
Yes.
to represent emotions through emoticons.
Correct.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up by using this switch.
Okay, so you're pushing, but I see issues there.
Yeah, well, yeah. So now the counter's reset and it's incrementing
6,
up again.
9, so on and so forth.
Right.
So you've reset the poo counter by doing that.
Right. And just to show you guys the reset counter a couple times. So it says clean me, and then it waits for a button press, and then it says I have been cleaned, and then it shows the little poo guy. Now, of course you can tell that like the text is off a bit. I'm working on that. I just wanted to like see if it actually...
I think a lot of the reason why it's doing that is because you're doing the graphics right inside the simulation code rather than just, you know, setting
having
states
a different cog for it or something. Yeah. So, and then we're almost to the 75 where we'll get to I'm gonna keep cleaning it, even though it doesn't really... Oh, there's a hungry face. See? It's hungry.
Looks like the mouth is opening and closing. That's funny.
So I'm gonna feed it. I have been fed, and it's nomming, like Pac-Man. See? Yep. And we're almost to the poo face again. So once this goes, I'm gonna increase it by a lot so you guys can see like the different ages. So the EXP determines the age.
And how do you get the experience level up?
You do things like clean it, or you do things like feed it, and every time you do something, it gives it 5 points.
Okay, so you're just basically forcing it to go up levels right now. You
I'm
don't have any checks built in.
What's it? What are they?
You're power leveling.
Power leveling.
Okay, so now the face is changed.
Okay, yeah. So here's the like young adult guy, I guess. And I'll show you guys the different faces too. So clean me. That's the poo face on the bottom. And then here's the feed face. You like that? It looks like it's nomming on Cheerios. And I'll show the sleep face, which I think is this one. Should I sleep? That's the sleep face. I guess I didn't show the sleep face on the other one. That's okay. Alright, so I'm going to keep... This one actually goes up to 100.
It'll be interesting to see how clean you can get this when you fix your rendering so that it doesn't, the screen doesn't go crazy when it has to go through the modes.
Yeah.
Or the actions or whatever.
And you notice like it keeps clearing the screen.
Yeah.
It's because when I tried to put all of that stuff into a separate cog, it I don't know, the color got all funky and things like started garbling up.
Yeah,
and
that's why we don't do things linear. When you're painting a screen, you want to just sit there painting with one thing and then, you know, change what you're supposed to be painting with another part of the code.
HAVE have been... Oh, shoot.
Looks like you found a bug.
Oh, man.
And of course you're going to get strange bugs like this once you start overflowing the stack.
Oh, man. So, it's a little buggy, guys.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Her functions are calling functions into infinity.
Yeah.
And every single time the function gets called, another point gets added to the stack and all the variables. I don't know, are you using local variables? I don't think you've been using any. So, just
So this is the adult phase. We're past 100. So that's the adult phase. So I'll just show the 3 different kinds. So we have feed, and there's the nom nom phase.
Normally the text wouldn't be inverted like that, but 8byte was sent out of order.
Yeah, maybe that was 2.
To the VGA text thing.
That's the poo face. And then here's the sleep face. And I also do have an option for like not doing anything. So never mind. Yep. So obviously I still have to get it moving, and then I have to keep it from doing things like that, so I imagine addressing the Stack Overflow would be it.
Well, it's pretty interesting. I don't know. That most of the things that need to be fixed here are just code-wise, coding practice, I should say.
Yeah.
I don't know. We had a whole first spin episode explaining how she can approach making it do what she wants it to. Yeah, let us know what you guys think.
Yep.
And if
I'll
you've
try
had
to
any
improve
good
it.
ideas for implementing new features, let us know too. Because, yeah, I think making it more interesting is good.
It's got the poo face. I think that's like the funniest face.
Addie's enthralled with the emoticons.
Yeah. Aren't you? Okay. So that's my project. My Propopet project.
Well,
until
part one.
Part 1, until I can come up with a better name. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, anyway, that's it for us for this week. We'll be back next Wednesday, maybe with more updates on this. Who knows? Never know what we're going to be up to during the week, and whatever we're up to, we make videos on that. So it's random.
Yep.
See you guys later.
Bye.
We post videos all the time, so don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter at TYMKRS.